You know, I'm always telling you how important it is to keep your dryer lint filter clean, because you know the lint builds up on it. You should clean that after every load, and I use a used dryer fabric softener sheet if that's what I'm using in my home. And you just go over and you can see how quickly it picks up the lint. But did you know that you need to clean the filter? Because if you're using those fabric softener sheets, they build up on the screen. Then the air doesn't flow smoothly and the dryer can overheat, your clothes take longer to dry, which costs more money. All of those things are bad for you. So let me show you how to do it. We've got a sink here that has some nice hot water in it. Then to that, I'm going to add just my favorite dish soap, and that, of course, for me is my Dawn. We're gonna drop this right into the sink and push it down. Now, you will let that sit and soak for 10, 15, 20 minutes. Go away, have a cup of coffee, do your grocery shopping even, and come home. Then, when you come back, you'll take a soft brush. Now, I like these little cuticle brushes. And you're gonna gently start and brush it. And that is going to start to remove that film. And you're going to want to continue to brush it till it's all clean. And remember, it'll be a lot easier if you do it after it has soaked. Now, once you've cleaned it and you don't see any residue on it, you'll rinse it really, really well. And rinsing it well is important. When you're done rinsing it, make sure you take it out and lay it out to dry. It's very important that you let it dry before you put it back in the dryer. Generally what I do is I clean it one day, lay it out, let it sit overnight, and then put it back in the next. So go on, take a look at that dryer filter, see how it looks, and give it a good cleaning. For more information, go to queenofclean.com. Thanks for talking dirty with the Queen of Clean.